In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve a deleted question in Google Forms. We've all been there, working on a form and accidentally deleting an important question, leaving us wondering if it's gone for good. Fortunately, I'm here to help guide you through the process, ensuring that you can restore that question with ease. Firstly, let's head over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. From here, we're going to enter a specific query to direct us to the right information. In the search bar, type in how to get a deleted question in Google Forms. Don't worry if you're not word perfect. Google is pretty good at understanding what you're looking for. Once you've entered the query, hit the Enter key or click on the search icon. This will bring up a list of results related to your query. With so much information available, it's essential to select a reliable source to ensure you're getting accurate and helpful guidance. Scroll through the search results and look for a trusted source that can walk you through the recovery process. Typically, Google's own help articles are a great place to start, as they offer up-to-date and relevant solutions. Click on the link that you think will best address your needs. This will direct you to a detailed article or forum discussion where users have shared similar issues and the solutions they've found. Take a moment to carefully read through the information. It can be beneficial to look for step-by-step instructions within these sources, as they provide clear and concise guidance on how to recover your deleted question. As you dig deeper into these resources, take note of any tips or hints that could be useful. Some articles might suggest preventative measures to avoid accidental deletions in the future, such as duplicating your form before making extensive changes or enabling any available restore features. Additionally, various forums often have user comments that might offer personal insights or alternative methods to recover lost content. Returning to Google Forms, while the native platform doesn't currently offer a direct undo option for deleted questions, understanding user experiences and potential workarounds will empower you to handle these situations with greater ease. Remember that practice makes perfect, and as you become more familiar with the nuances of Google Forms, navigating these scenarios will become second nature. In closing, recovering a deleted question in Google Forms involves using strategic search queries, leveraging authoritative resources, and possibly experimenting with suggested solutions. By keeping a patient and proactive mindset, you'll find yourself well equipped to tackle this challenge. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.